Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will solve this question, which is of projection of lines. So, in this question, we have one end of a line is 30 above HP and 30 in front of VP. So, the initial point of a line. So, I'm going to consider line AB. So, point A is 30 above HP and 30 in front of VP. The top view is 60 long and makes 50° with the XY line. So its top view is 60 long. So this is the apparent line which is given in the question and which is as 50° with the XY line. Draw its projection and find its true length when the line makes 40° with the HP. So let's start with the given condition. So I'm considering line AP and the point A is 30 and 30 in front of VP. So this is 30 above HP and 30 in front of VP. So this is our initial point. Name them initial point A dash, and for top view it should be A. You can check the length. It should be 30 and it should it is 30. So this is our first point of line AB, which is 30 above HP and 30 in front of people. Now in the question it is given its top view is 60 long and makes 50° with the XY line. So top view is given means apparent line in the top view is given, which is 60 and at an angle of 50°. So just first click and stretch your mouse. Just press shift at the rate. Now length should be 60 and tab. Angle should be 50°. So just this is in the clockwise direction, in the downward direction. So I'm just going to press -50. So you can see this, as per the question, this length should be of 60, and the angle, it should make an angle of 50° with the VP, with the P or XY. So it is correct. Now you can name them. This is the true line, so I'm going to mark it with the main drawing. So now true line is, end point of true line is given by B. This is our apparent line. So this line is given, and with the XY line, draw its projection and find its true length when the line makes 40° with HP. So the true line is given for the front view case where the line is at 40°, but we don't have the length here. So what we're gonna do is just going to create a line which is at 40°, but we do not have the finite length. So I'm just going to take a rough length. Press shift at the right, tab, and angle should be 40. So this line is at an angle of 40° with the HP. Okay, so these are the two given conditions. Now we do not have the endpoint because this length is not fixed. We do not have the fixed length. We have only angle with the XY or with the HP. So the length is not fixed. It means we do not have the endpoint of this true line. So what I'm gonna do is, with the help of this, again as we have done in the previous question, with the help of this apparent line, I'm going to find out the true length of this line. So just follow the same step. We are moving from apparent line to true line. So what we're gonna do is take this. We are going to create an arc A as a center and radius up to this point B, and create an arc which will intersect with the horizontal line which will start from the A. So just going to create a circle, A as a center, and take this B as the radius. Now from the A, create a horizontal line which will intersect with this circle. So we need this point of intersection. So I'm going to remove this excess part. I don't need this, not this one. Just delete this thing. So we have created an arc in which A work as a center and radius up to this point B. Then this arc will intersect with this horizontal line. Now from this point of intersection, you have to create a vertical line which will intersect with this inclined line, because this is the true line in the front view. We do have the exact angle with the HP, but we do not have the length. So with the help of this apparent line, we have we traced out this end point of this true line. So just remove the part. Now this is our true line, and this is the end point of our true line, which is represented by B1 dash. So now with the help of apparent line, we have created our true line. Now, so we have these two lines. Still our drawing is incomplete, as we know to complete this projection we apparent line is missing in front view and true line is missing in top view. So what we're gonna do is, we know this is the true line, so from here I'm going to create a horizontal line. We know endpoints of the apparent line and true line will lie on the same horizontal line. Again, the same thing goes for the this one, top view. From here you can create a horizontal line because we know the endpoint of the true line will lie on this line. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to use this shortcut in which we know the end effectors of the apparent line, and end effector words is always used for the apparent line. So whenever it is asked in the question, it has been asked in the question, the distance between the end effectors, it means the endpoints of the apparent line. So we know end effectors, endpoints of the apparent lines will lie always on the same vertical line. As you can see from here, A dash and A are already on the same vertical line. So from B, I'm going to draw a vertical line which will intersect with this locus, because I know the endpoint of the line, apparent line, will lie on this horizontal line. So I'm just going to create this vertical line from point B, which is going to intersect with this horizontal line. Now, as per the shortcut, we know B and B dash, endpoint of apparent line in front view, will be on the same vertical line. So this point is going to be B dash. Just change this thing to B dash. Now join this B dash to A dash. So now you can see this is our apparent line. So in the front view we have apparent line and true line, but in the top view we have only apparent line. Still true line is missing. So to complete this, again follow use the same process. Use this apparent line to find out this true line. So again going to create an arc, A dash as the center, and up to B dash, take this length as a radius, create an arc which will intersect with this horizontal line started from A dash. So I'm going to create a horizontal line like this. Now create a circle. To create an arc, I'm just using the simplest way, just creating a circle. A dash, take A dash as the center. Now radius up to this point B dash. Now I do not require this curve, and I need only this point. So just remove this thing. So you can as you can see, we have created an arc in which A dash act as the center and radius up to this B dash. Now this arc is intersecting this horizontal line, and from this horizontal line you have to draw a vertical line which will intersect with this locus, because we know the endpoint of the true line in top view will lie on this horizontal line. So just simply do one thing, connect this point to this A, and this is our true line, and the endpoint of true line is denoted by B1. Now our projection is complete, and to check whether they are correct or not, what we can do is, this shortcut is considered by our side to find out this apparent line, so I'm not going to use this. But what we can do is, we know true line should be of same length in the front view as well as in top view, because there's only one line which is inclined with HP as well as with the VP. So this length should be equal to this one. If this follows, then only this projection is complete or successfully completed. So just check the length of this true line, B1 dash and A dash. Length is 78.3. Now here the true line in the top view, again this is 78.3. So true line in both cases are of same length, 78.3, 78.3. So this is good. this projection is complete and correct. And in the question, what we have draw its projection is complete, and find its true length when the lines makes what you with that. So okay, this is our true length 78.3. So this is our question. I'm just going to check the true inclination and apparent. This one is 40 degree as it is given in the question, and this one is apparent inclination is 53 degree. Just check it for this is for the front view. Now for top view, true inclination is 36 degree, or true inclination with HP is 36, and apparent inclination with the VP is 50. Sorry, true inclination with VP is 36 because it is in the top view. So whatever angle the lines, true line or apparent line makes with the XY is with the VP. So the true inclination with VP is 36, and apparent inclination with VP is 50. Okay, so this is our projection. Okay, that's it. Thank you.